Please put your hands together for Susie Fagan! Ned Kelly Bushranger himself wouldn't have a fucking hope. Wouldn't have a hope. Like Bear Grylls, he'd be coming at it, he'd be there with his fucking machete. There'd be odd socks and coming out, you wouldn't know what to fucking second-hand furniture. Fucking that cat that went missing 10 years ago. Oh, and there'd be nothing for him to eat at the end of it. No bush tucker, no. But you know, I did think when I was pregnant with my first child that it was time to, you know, sort it out. But yes, a lot of men haven't heard of it at all. I was actually on my way to the appointment and there was just lost men everywhere.
Were they trying hard though?
They were trying to find it. And then she starts throwing the thing down and anointing me, and she says, "It's very comfortable down here, actually. But I might need some help getting back up."
Did I enjoy the show? Like, it's just fucking hilarious. Been enjoying actual real comedy. It was amazing.
I absolutely loved the show.
The show was actually fantastic. It was so funny, so much fun. Loved it.
Hilarious.
I laugh a minute.
Yeah, I love the show actually, it was beautiful.
My favourite joke experience was when the vulnerability of the comics were just like crossed with humour. It was incredible.
The realness of it. Discussing the topics that we all experience, I think was really quite funny and cathartic to hear.
Susie on the floor was hilarious.
Being able to relate.
Yeah.
Touched a few chords here and there, let's say.
Lots of stitches. I love the crack. For everyone out there that has heard about the show, get along, you'll get a good laugh, and you'll know what the crack is.